behind me here is Tumalo Falls. I'm at the first viewing area, and then if I continue on this trail, I'll go up to the top to see it from the top. I think there's even caves in that cliff. Almost like two falls because it hits the bottom and then it carves out this kind of cave right underneath the falls. So I'm gonna walk and see what I can see from above the falls. I'm kind of like on a cliff right now. Wow. Oh wow. So much colder than Medí Falls. And I'm gonna go around and see if I could see the waterfall up closer from the bottom. Really nice views. If I get up to that waterfall, my joy factor is going to go up. It's my favorite type of trails, is just these offshoot ones. I'm on a rabbit trail. Rabbit trail looks like it goes right up the mountain here. I'm almost there. The trail go around this. Oh wow. I guess it's not really exactly a cave, but there is kind of like a cave here. Hey look, that's cool. That isn't soft at all. So amazing. I can feel the wind from the waterfall. I'm surrounded by a waterfall. It's right behind me. It's coming straight down. That's really cool. Oh, this is amazing. So good. Oh, so good. I don't think that this way goes through, so I'm going to have to head back through the waterfall and go back around. Woo! This is so fun. I basically got my shower for the week because I just went through the waterfall like 3 or 4 times.